Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. This week I thought I'd do something a little different than my normal cooking or canning video. I went to the Amish salvage store where you can get grocery items at a much cheaper price than you can get at regular grocery stores. And I thought what I would do is show you what I got, and I would break down how much it cost me for all of these groceries compared to what it would cost if you got these at like Walmart or Kroger. So if you like this, let me know, and I might do some more of these in the future. I'm going to start off with my orzo. I got 2 packages of orzo here, and you can see that I paid $1.19 per package. In the grocery store, this same brand is $4.65, and I got 2 of them. I got many boxes of Honey Bunches of Oats. My children really like cereal. They're not really children, they're all adults. There's 6 adults in this house, and everybody eats cereal. So I paid $1.99 a box for them, and Honey Bunches of Oats is about $5 a box. So I got 5 boxes of those, and then I got a box of Cinnabon cereal. I think I paid $1.79 for this, and in the grocery stores, those are $8.88. The only place you can find them right now is Amazon. And the Life Cinnamon cereal is $3.98 in grocery store, and I paid $2.69. All of these are still within their date, by the way. It's just the boxes might be damaged, slightly open, the bags are still closed, or the box is crushed. But yeah, so a really good deal on cereal. I got 3 boxes of Pop Secret Homestyle Butter Popcorn. I paid $1.69 a box, and in grocery stores, this 3-pack box is $2.58 a box. So that's quite a bit of difference there in the price. I did go ahead and pick up a box of Pop-Tarts. In Walmart, the 16 count box is $4.47. Now, this is a 12 count box, but it is still in date. The only thing wrong with it was the box was open and it had been taped closed. As you can see, 2025 expiration. So, excellent deal on that. And if you don't mind your packages to be, not pretty to look at, the food is still good on the inside. I picked up a 3-pack of the deluxe macaroni and cheese. In Walmart, these are $7.47, and I paid $3.79. I got a package of rice cakes for $1.29, and at Walmart, these are $3.48 a piece. So, half off. And pretty much everything I bought today is something that I would normally buy. I didn't buy frivolous things. These are things that I would normally buy at the grocery store. All I did was just save myself some money. I picked up 2 containers of sushi ginger. They're $1.39 a piece at the Amish salvage store, and at Walmart they're $4.49. And as I said, I got 2. We have a lot of like rice bowls and things that goes really well with. I got a couple boxes of Nutri-Grain bars, $2.29 a piece at the Amish store, and at Walmart these are $5.98 a piece. They're still within their date, and I did get 2 of them, one strawberry and one blueberry. Saved quite a bit of money on these. I like to have these on hand for my kids as they're running out the door to go to work so they have something in their stomachs until they can get home from work and have dinner. I got 3 packages of bagels. At our Amish store, you can get 3 packages of bread or bagels for $2. At Walmart, these packages of bagels are $3.76 a piece. So for less than 1 package at Walmart, I got 3. I did pick up some assorted candy. My husband has a sweet tooth. He really likes candy. And these full-size candies are 3 for $1. So, yeah, I got 6 of them. Assorted candies at Kroger is about $6 or $7 for that amount of candy. And I picked up this bag of what they call meat ends. It's basically what's left over of the deli meat after they shave it off. It's just chunks of ham, chunks of turkey. I like to have this with crackers, and so does my husband. Deli meat at the grocery store is $8.77 a pound, and I got 3 pounds of that. I picked up a bag of hot chocolate mix. This is $3.98 at Walmart. I paid $1.99. One of my daughters is a really big fan of hot chocolate, so she'll really enjoy this. I got 4 bags of granola. Each one of these bags of granola were 99 cents. They're still within their date. This first bag here is $5.49 at Walmart. Most of these are like non-GMO, organic, gluten-free, all that good stuff. This brand right here, Cascadian Farms, is $4.79. Again, I paid 99 cents for it. And these are like good quality ingredients in these granolas. So if you don't make your own, this is an easy way to pick up some good granola. This Bare Naked granola is $4.69 at Walmart. Again, non-GMO. And the Kind granola is $5.79. So for $4, I got 4 bags of granola when at the grocery store. That's how much one bag costs. I mean, there really is a savings to be had here. And this was my favorite score, these Mrs. Wages seasoning packets for canning things. I got this horseradish roasted garlic pickles. They are my husband's favorite. I do have a video where I made these last year. I can put a little iCard up here if you want to go back and look at that video where I'm pointing here. I'll put a link up there. But these normally run anywhere from $3.22 to $4.29 where I've seen them in stores. And they were all marked down to $1.99. I got 4 of them. 2 tomato soup, the pickles, and then I also got one of pizza sauce. And you can see, I noticed that the tag was peeking out underneath of it. And so I decided to go ahead and pull the sale tag off just to see what was underneath. And they were originally $3.79. So for $2 a piece, I'm good to go. You'll see why I went ahead and picked up the tomato soup and the pizza sauce here in just a second. These are always good to have on your shelf for when you might score some tomatoes or something. So that was everything I got from the first store I went to. I actually went to 2 different Amish salvage stores. So everything you see here on the left, I got at the first store, and my total came to $61.49. And if you'll hang out till the end of the video, I'm going to give you a running total of how much I spent versus how much all of this would have cost me at, say, Walmart or Kroger. I think you'll be shocked at how much food I got, how much the price comparison is at Walmart. So on to store number 2, I picked up this whole Cajun-style turkey breast. Now at Walmart, these are about $91 a piece. I paid $18. Now it is frozen. I'll thaw it, slice it, and put the pieces back in the freezer until I need them. But that is just an amazing savings, like 80 bucks. Who has that kind of money in this economy? The second thing I got was this whole salami. These cost anywhere from $45 to $60. I found it on a few different websites. I paid $4 for this. It's still within its date, in fact. When I first saw it, I thought, oh, that's got to be expired. And then I looked at the tag and I was like, are you kidding me? That's good for like months. So we eat a lot of cheese and crackers and veggie trays, so this is going to come in really handy for us. I could never in a million years afford to buy that at whole price. We eat a lot of chorizo and eggs mostly. And I found this 10-pack of pork chorizo, and it happened to be a brand that I really liked. And these cost, from what I found online, about $43 a piece. It is also frozen, which means I can just pull out what I need, but I only paid $5 for this. I mean, can you even? It's ridiculous. And then I picked up this large container of Boursin cheese. I like to make pasta bakes, and this is really delicious. I paid $5 for this, and these at the food supply stores are about $27 a piece. So all of that, I mean, just the meat alone was a ridiculous savings. I spent $32.25 on the meat and the cheese from the second store. And then as I was leaving, I saw this. I managed to score myself another big case of canning tomatoes for $15. And these are locally grown tomatoes. So I usually do this. I did this last year too. I don't grow enough tomatoes to can all of the products that I need for my family. So for me, I can support local farmers by either purchasing from the produce auction or from the Mennonite or Amish stores. And $15 for an entire case of tomatoes, you can't beat that. And I'm going to use these tomatoes to make those Mrs. Wages packets. So you'll probably be seeing that pretty soon. But yeah, this was my haul. And I'm going to give you a breakdown of the totals while I make a veggie tray for my kids. And I'm going to use some of the stuff that I bought today, so that'll be fun. All right, so at store number 1, I spent $61.49 and got quite a bit of stuff. Definitely happy with my, takeaway from the first store. Just a lot of pantry staples, basically. And the total for store number 2 was $32.25 plus $15 for that case of tomatoes that you saw just a few minutes ago. My total spent at the 2 Amish salvage stores were $108.74. Now, if I had purchased all of that at Walmart, not counting the tomatoes, I would have spent $405.89, give or take, depending on the store. That means I saved $297.15, so close to $300. So I definitely recommend looking in your area to see if you have any grocery salvage stores. If you liked this video, please leave me a comment and let me know if you'd like to see more content like this. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jen. I do cooking, canning, and food preservation videos every Tuesday and garden vlogs every Friday. I hope you'll consider subscribing and sticking around. Until next time, friends, happy cooking!